Well, let's see what goes. Welcome to my overly elaborate point of view recording setup. Welcome to my overly elaborate point of view recording setup. This is where I'm at, so you could see how stupid I look. This is where the sound comes from. This is me, sitting in my own car. Welcome everyone. This is gonna be a point of view drive of my 2006 Subaru WRX STI Impreza. And without further ado, let's get the show on the road. So I wanted to do this for the longest. So let's see, can I get a point of view, little spinach action. That was fucking sweet. That was fucking sweet. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Okay, we're done with this. So, goddamn, I don't ever break or do anything that would cause harm to the vehicles I own on purpose. Since I'm not a rich man, I take utmost care of my cars. Actually, I just had the oil changed 5 miles ago, so I always take super care of my cars. So this is what you saw. I just did it to record this video. Just that I would have a video of it. My tires are pretty brand new. Bridgestone Potenza RE070s, 070s, or however you want to call this. So I don't like mess around with my stuff. I try to take the best care of it. But I just wanted to get this donut action on the film. But actually, we can do a little pull here. Let's see. Without further ado, let's get rolling. As I said, the car is a European market version, so running the EJ 257. What makes this car a bit more special is the fact that I'm running a twin scroll turbo setup from a Spec C. So same generation Spec C car, turbo on it. Twin scroll. European cars are single scroll from the factory. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Factory Brembo's, factory 6-speed. Bridgestone Potenza RE070 tires. What else? DBA T2 street brake discs. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So just gonna give it a little welly and enjoy the road a bit. Now the first thing you may be asking is, can I even see the road with this? So I would say this is as obtrusive as the F1 Halo is. So if I want to look up into the sky, it kind of limits my vision, but otherwise it's not a problem. Now if you're wondering what's this weird noise coming from under the hood, I have a slight exhaust leak. My downpipe is broken, so there may be technical difficulties. And my point of view camera gives me a SD card error, so let me fix this. I had to ditch the Hero 6 for the Hero 4 because Hero 6 is not cooperating, so I want to get home too. I don't want to spend all my time fixing my GoPro here. So let's get this show on the road again. BC Racing BR coilovers, 6 kilo springs at the back and 8 kilo springs at the front is what I finished my talk at. So yeah, I was suggested that I should speak about how does it feel to drive this car. As I already stopped at the springs here, so compared to your car you drive daily, this car is very stiff compared to, let's say, the Passat we got in front there. Let's give it a little welly too. So mind you, I got fresh brake discs. Pads are old, but I got brake discs and oil changed on my car. We would have changed the pads also, but the pads I ordered were for the WRX, so I messed up there. Purely my own fault. Give it a little minor welly. Because why not? Corner coming up and some houses, so let's respect other citizens and take it easy here. So where was I? Yeah, so this car is stiff. Horsepower wise, I don't know what to tell about this car, because I mean it is fast, it's not slow, don't get me wrong, but the fastness, the quickness, it isn't something out of this world. I think he wants to let me by. Whatever. Let's go by it. Give it a little bit of beans. It's not mind-bendingly fast, so it won't be like, wow, it's a spaceship, you know, we'll have tunnel vision or whatnot, but it's not slow either, you know, you can have a lot of fun with it. It has plenty enough power to be enjoyed. How should I explain the feeling? I don't know. Go really fast on a bicycle, it kind of feels the same amount of excitement downhill or something. The main pleasure with this car is, of course, cornering. I'm not gonna go flat out here because obviously, as you can see, there's a lot of houses around me, so these are more like warehouses, so there might be people lurking around. As you can see, the car is pretty loud and makes some wishy noises, pretty loud, even with the exhaust leak, so it gets around. Oh, I see the Passat guy has really try hard behind me. He's not lagging behind at all. I don't know if it's visible on the rear view mirror, but he's not far behind at all. He's giving some beans of his own. I love these tryhards. To me, I've been just casually cruising with the car, but some people just seem to always, I don't know, show up, show off, whatever the case may be. Actually, just realized I'm a pretty shitty point of view driver guy, because I just ramble on about random stuff. It's not really about the car or anything. Let's not spook the runner guy. I try to respect everyone else on the road, so I'm not gonna go unnecessarily fast on a public road, especially with this stupid camera contraption on my head. Think about like, how would it look to be pulled over like this? It's pretty ridiculous. But to be honest, I was really skeptical about how it will impair your vision, but it's actually pretty tolerable. My pronunciations are terrible. Yeah. Pronunciations and accent is killing me over here. But we got a little bit of a sweeter stretch of road coming up, so I'm not gonna go too fast here, just on the highway speed here. A little bit of a sweeter stretch of road so we can stretch the legs on the car a bit. Test out my new and fresh brake pads. Actually, I have no idea even how does the raindrops on the windscreen affect the video quality, the sharpness of the video. I think GoPro is pretty like locked in. It doesn't try to correct the sharpness too much, because I mean, if there's a few droplets on the screen, I can see out no problem, but I don't know how it does it look on GoPro. You see that I'm rambling on about random stuff because I don't know, just you know, owning an STI is cool unless you have to fix it. Driving an STI is cool unless you crash. So I don't know, what should I tell about the driving experience? I mean, the manual gearbox, superb, really sweet to mess around with it. Let's give it a little belly here. Concentration, not talking that much. The road is a bit slippery, so I can't call myself a rain master. So let's try to stay safe, but still have a little bit of fun. See, this is a pretty public road, so I really don't want to cross the mid-line onto oncoming traffic. Everybody stays on their lane. But I'm gonna give it a little revs, you know. What's the point of recording if I don't any beans? But yeah, this is where the road ends. Obviously, I'm really familiar with this road. I've driven it many times, so there's that. Always pay attention to your surroundings. Yeah, there you see. Okay, I got a try hard Kia coming up, but he's really on it, so I'm gonna let him by, because this is just now it's kind of like one of these in the middle of the field roads, so like there's no point of like speeding here. I mean, it's just a piece of crap road with terrible smoothness, so I mean, like really no point of going fast here. It's going fast in a straight line is a whole other topic. Don't get me started on that. I think I'm gonna cut it here too. I guess it's enough of me talking and driving for starters. This was like a test video of audio and video quality. So bye. I don't have the other camera to wave you goodbye, all the viewers, all the millions of viewers who's gonna watch this. But thanks for watching. Peace. Bye. Goodbye.